Alright, y'all, Philly D back with a real quick one. I'm pulling up to my little spot. I like to take my little cars to the test drive, but right now I got a 2012 Sierra GMC. Nice little truck. But what I did just now was I did a couple things, but I put a Tpms sensor in real quick. It's one of them ready John. So basically all you gotta do is put it in and relearn it. Most GMs is the same way though. Like you can use the car to relearn your sensors, or you can use the scanner to relearn your sensors. Let me show y'all what the tire sensor look like real quick, so y'all have an idea of that. This one came, it's like that, and then this piece here will stick out of your wheel, so that's where you will put air at, and it's just basically like that, you know, and it'll sit in your rim, attached to your rim, just like that. All right. But yeah, again, I use my Autel TS508. So pretty much all you need, unless you gotta program, you know, a lot of other sensors, and then you gotta get more sophisticated than just this. Like this will program sensors, but it will only program its own sensors, its own Autel sensors. So it is what it is. But got this job done. As you can see, all the lights are working. TPS light ain't on. As y'all can see, there's no lights on. Let me show y'all the light, the tire light real quick, so y'all know. See, that's the tire light right there. That one right there. So as y'all can see, it's out. Let me show y'all real quick around the truck though. It's a clean truck. My man keep it clean though. Real clean though, you know what I'm saying? How many miles on it real quick? Let me check the miles. 97,000. You know what I mean? Clean truck. You know what I mean? I always like these Jones though, with GM trucks. As y'all can see, Flex Fuel, Sierra, SLE, GMC. It's John clean. Best thing I like about these though is the grill. I like the grill on these Jones too. I mean, it's clean. I mean, the newer ones is, you know, more beefy and shit, but this is cool. I like these too though. Yeah. So that's a real quick quick little walk around of this truck. All right, I'm gonna get back, check out some more shit we gotta do. But yeah, if y'all was looking for a TPMS scanner, this joint is nice. You know what I mean? I ain't no sponsor or nothing like that. I just have it. I've used it. I've had this for I don't know, maybe 4 years now, 5 years. So, and I just updated it not too long ago. So yeah. So yeah, that's all I got right now though. About to go and see what else I got. If I could bring something else out, let y'all check it out. That'd be cool. You know what I mean? I'll let y'all know. But signing off. Check y'all later.